Okay, I'm standing in front of the rug. There is no stain, no smell of pee-pee. And I ask myself, why this gentleman sent me this beautiful silk rug comb from Iran, all the way from Washington to Florida, over 3,000 miles. Why? The rug smells from big dog skin. Allow me to explain. This gentleman having two or one big dog. Big dog never pee on the rug, but they laid on the rug because it's comfortable. It's okay. The dog laid on the rug a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. The oil from the dog skin with the silk rug have unpleasant smell, and it grow bacteria. This bacteria, it's all the way here in the back of the rug, in the foundation of the rug, the area that nobody can reach except my cleaning process. I build a natural cleaning process that will clean the rug, remove all the oil, break it down. When I ship this rug back to the customer, it's going to be smooth, nice. I never use a scrubber. I want you to see what happens if I'm going to use a scrubber. I want you to see. Take a look. Look how shiny and beautiful it's looking right now. Look at this. If I will go with the scrubber backwards, I'm going to ruin the nap. The same way if you brushing your hair this way and then suddenly you decide, no, I'm going to brush my hair like this. This is how the rug is going to look. So, for this reason, the guy sent me this rug all the way 3,000 miles away to Florida to clean it, because I don't have scrubber, I don't have soap, I don't have deodorize, I don't have it. The only soap that I have in the warehouse is the soap to wash my hand in a bathroom. Let me explain to you how my system, the PetPeePee machine working. I cannot explain to you everything, but I will give you general things. Here is the vacuum floor. It means the suction coming from under the rug. I flood the rug with the tanks, then it's over there. They are mixed already by the solution that I have to clean the rug. It's a special solution from the Dead Sea, natural, eatable. I can drink the solution, but the vinegar and the blended minerals from the Dead Sea will do a genius, a natural things the nature do, and I will remove all the oil from this rug. That's it. Let's start the cleaning process. You will see it. The blended minerals from the Dead Sea that's coming from a big tank flood the rug this way. The nape of the rug going from the north to south, the water going from north to south. Everything's going smoothly with the nape. This is the power of my cleaning process. every inch of the rug will be covered completely. Now the vacuum. Let's go. The vacuum extracts all the water that is on the rug, through the area that nobody can reach, the foundation of the rug. This area saturated with the oil and the crystal and the cleaning product the customer used in the past. So all of this one got flushed gently, softly, nobody after me. And because this cleaning product is natural from Mother Earth, is no damage to the color, and the color will never run. Every cycle, the cleaning product that went through the rug, fall down to the bottom of the pan and vacuum and pump out to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, I can see the tube and can see the progress of the cleaning. In the beginning, it was completely brown. Mustard, not looking good. And slowly it become lighter and lighter till the tube become completely clear. It will take approximately from 4 hours to 6-8 hours till I reach this level, clear tube. And when the tube is clear, I complete the cleaning process. I let the rug on the floor flat. I vacuum it by hand. I brush the rug one way to bring the shine back to the rug. Done deal. PetPeePee. A cleaning process that makes sense. I got rewarded by Google. More than 120 reviews, all of them 5 stars from all over United States. PetPeePee. I enjoy cleaning Oriental rug. It's my passion. Thank you for watching.
empties it too.